Welcome to Atarashi Hinode by T3 Solutions. This video is in response to an Android user's comment on how to permanently block participants from unmuting themselves. So as you can see here, I host this meeting and I'm currently in an Android device, and there are two participants including me, the host.
Good morning, Tommy.
So as you can see here, John's microphone is currently enabled, and let's see how to disable his microphone. So for that we need to click at the right arrow which is next to his microphone symbol, and once you click that you will get a new screen, and on that screen you need to click the first option, that is mute. So as you can see here, his microphone has turned red with a red cross above it, which means that his microphone is now disabled.
Tommy, I can still unmute.
So here you might have noticed that John's microphone has turned back on and he was able to interfere the conference. This is because he was given the right to unmute his microphone himself. So let's see how to block him permanently from unmuting his microphone. So in order to do that, we need to click on the mute all option below the screen, and then when a new screen pops up, there would be an option that enables us to allow and disable participants from unmuting themselves. By default it is checked, which means that participants can unmute themselves, so we need to uncheck in order to prevent the participants from unmuting their microphone themselves. So click on that option to uncheck it and then click OK. Now the participants will be denied the right to unmute their microphone. So as you can see here, John has texted that Tommy, now I can't unmute. Since we have denied the participants rights to unmute themselves, now he cannot unmute his microphone on his own. Now let's see how to unmute participants individually. For that, go to the participant section and then click on the right arrow next to the microphone symbol of the participant whom you want to unmute, and when new screen appear, click unmute. Now this is the secondary right we are giving to this particular participant, which means that if the participant mute himself accidentally, then he cannot unmute. He would need to request the host to unmute him. This is because our primary right is block all participants from unmuting themselves. So this is the end of this tutorial. See you in next tutorial.